door keeps slamming. Now you're feeling more and more frustrated, and you're getting all kind of impatient. Waiting, we live and we learn to take one step at a time. There's no need to rush. It's like learning to fly or falling in love. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Supposed to happen. That we find the reasons why. One step at a time. When you can't wait any longer, you can't wait. But there's no end in time. When you need to find the strength, it's your faith that makes you stronger. The only way we get there is one step at a time. Take one step at a time. There's no need to rush. It's like learning to fly or falling in love. It's gonna happen. It's supposed to happen. That we find the reasons why. One step at a time. There's no need to rush. It's like learning to fly or falling in love. It's gonna happen. It's supposed to happen. That we find the reasons why. One step at a time.
Boys call you sexy, and you don't care what they say. See, every time you turn around, you say now I've got a confession. When I was young, I wanted attention. And I promised myself that I'd do anything, anything at all for them to notice me. But I ain't complaining. We all wanna be famous, so go ahead and say what you wanna say. You know what it's like to be nameless. Wanna know what your name is? 'Cause see, when I was younger, I would say, when I grow up, I wanna be famous, I wanna be a star, I wanna be in movies. When I grow up, I wanna see the world, drive nice cars, I wanna have groupies. When I grow up, be on TV, people know me, be on magazines. When I grow up, fresh and clean, #1 chick when I step out on the scene. Be careful what you wish for, 'cause you just might get it right. Just might get it, you just might get it, you just might get it.
What's wrong with me? Why do I feel like this? I'm going crazy now. No more gas in the red. Can't even get it started. Nothing heard, nothing said. Can't even speak about it. I'm my life, I'm my head. Don't wanna think about it. Feels like I'm going insane, yeah. It's a thief in the night to come and grab you. It can creep up inside you and consume you. A disease of the mind, it can control you. It's too close for comfort.